Hello all, I am Victoria Inibali. I signed up as an intern at LadiesDoTech to study data science and get introduced to the tech world. And yes, I was properly introduced to the world of tech. I learned a whole lot, and yeah, we have come to the end of the program, and I want to share my experience so far at LadiesDoTech. So the name of my tutor is Mr. Duzi Agbo. He has been a nice teacher. He has made learning fun. He's always there for us to ask questions and all. And with the knowledge I've gained so far, I was able to work on my projects. Yeah, I got a project. At the end of every program, you get projects. I got a project to build a model that can actually predict if a patient has breast cancer or not, based on the data set my instructor gave to me. So normally I dived into my project. I imported my libraries. As a data scientist, you have to first of all import the libraries you're going to be using to analyze your code and draw conclusions. So yeah, I imported my libraries straight up, and then I imported my data. I had to copy my data into my Anaconda notebook, which is very, very important. After doing that, I did what we call data cleaning. You have to clean your data as a data scientist, so you can work well with this data and make good predictions. I cleaned my data. After cleaning my data, I did some visualizations, which is very important for to explain, to get relationships between data, get relationship through visuals. I did some visualization. I even did a correlation analysis using heat maps. So I worked with 3 models. I did this because I wanted to know the most accurate model. I'm predicting if a patient has breast cancer, so I can't just use a model that is not really accurate. I have to use the best. So I used 3 models for this. So I was able to get the best model out of the 3, which is the logistic regression model. Yeah, logistic regression model. That's the best among all. And then I did I used pickle.dump to save my model, and I got my mean absolute error. My error is just about 0.08, so it's somewhat accurate, you understand? So I actually tested my model by putting in the 5 parameters I needed to check if a patient has breast cancer, which you can see very clearly here. These 5 parameters here, which you can see very clearly. After that, I then did I got my answer. The patient does not have cancer. The 0 there indicates that the patient doesn't have cancer, which is negative. So depending on the parameter of the patient, parameter of the patient, we'll be able to detect if a patient has cancer or not, based on this model I built. Understand? So basically, I was able to do this because of the internship at LadiesDoTech. It has been great. I've learned a lot, and I really want to thank the sponsors. I want to thank everybody that organized, that's putting efforts to make this come true. I have really, really learned a lot, and I'm so happy. Thanks at LadiesDoTech.